Did you know that 1 tablespoon of these tiny seeds can supercharge your body in 10 different ways? Not a supplement, not a gimmick, just a natural superfood hiding in plain sight. Chia seeds. In the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly what happens to your body when you eat just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds every day. And trust me, it's more powerful than you think. We'll uncover how they can flatten your belly, fuel your brain, smooth your skin, balance your blood sugar, and even protect your heart, all backed by science. Stick around until the end, and I'll also show you a quick, delicious recipe that makes adding chia to your routine effortless. 1. Improves digestive health. When it comes to maintaining a healthy digestive system, chia seeds are an unsung hero. Just 1 tablespoon is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which your gut absolutely loves. Here's how it works. When chia seeds come into contact with water, they swell and form a gel-like substance. This gel slows digestion, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more effectively. It also acts like a soothing lubricant for your intestines, helping to move food through your system at a steady pace. Chia seeds contain a natural compound called mucilage, a type of soluble fiber that forms this gel. It works as a gentle cleanser, sweeping away waste and toxins while feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A study published in Science Direct showed that chia mucilage helped promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut microbiome, which is essential for immune health and digestion. If you're dealing with constipation, irregular bowel movements, or bloating, that single tablespoon could bring you much-needed relief. 2. Supports cardiovascular function. Your heart works around the clock, and it deserves all the support it can get. Fortunately, chia seeds are loaded with heart-healthy nutrients like potassium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. A study published on PubMed examined 42 adults with type 2 diabetes. Those who consumed chia seeds daily for 12 weeks experienced a significant drop in systolic blood pressure compared to those in the control group. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are a game-changer for anyone trying to manage blood sugar, especially those with diabetes or insulin resistance. The fiber in chia seeds forms a gel in your stomach, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar. Instead of causing a spike in blood sugar after meals, chia helps drip-feed glucose into your bloodstream gradually. This slow release leads to more stable energy levels and reduces the likelihood of insulin spikes and crashes. In a ResearchGate study involving diabetic rats, researchers found that chia seeds improved fasting blood glucose, enhanced liver function, and positively influenced lipid profiles, showcasing their potential to regulate metabolism. 4. Boosts bone density. Bone health isn't just about calcium, and chia seeds prove that. 1 tablespoon per day supplies key nutrients that contribute to strong, healthy bones, including phosphorus, boron, magnesium, and ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Phosphorus is essential for bone mineralization and works closely with calcium to build the structural framework of your skeleton. Without it, bones can become brittle, even with adequate calcium intake. Boron helps your body process and use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D more effectively. This trace mineral is critical for maintaining bone density, especially as we age. It also activates vitamin D, which in turn increases calcium absorption in your gut. And let's not forget ALA, the plant-based omega-3 fatty acid in chia. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help prevent bone loss associated with chronic inflammation. One 13-month PubMed study in animals showed that a chia-rich diet significantly increased bone mineral content and strength, offering yet another reason to make chia a daily habit. 5. Enhances skin hydration and elasticity. Chia seeds can help from the inside out. They're rich in omega-6 fatty acids, especially linoleic acid, which supports your skin's natural moisture barrier. This barrier helps prevent water loss and shields your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and UV rays. Chia seeds also contain selenium, a powerful antioxidant that defends your skin from oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of wrinkles, sagging, and discoloration. It helps preserve the skin's structural proteins like collagen and elastin, which are responsible for firmness and elasticity. A study on PubMed also found that chia seed peptides inhibited skin-aging enzymes and helped maintain the skin's protein matrix, making chia a promising addition to anti-aging skincare routines. 6. Supports weight management. Looking for a natural, satisfying way to control appetite? Chia seeds offer a perfect solution. Thanks to their high fiber content, chia seeds expand in your stomach, absorbing liquid and creating a feeling of fullness. This helps curb cravings and reduces the urge to snack between meals. Chia seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone that influences mood and appetite. Balanced serotonin levels help you feel satisfied and content after meals, reducing emotional eating. Additionally, chia seeds are rich in manganese, a mineral that plays a central role in fat and carbohydrate metabolism. It helps your body convert food into energy efficiently, rather than storing excess as fat. In a 6-month PubMed study, overweight adults with type 2 diabetes who consume chia seeds daily, along with a reduced calorie diet, lost significantly more weight than those who didn't. Chia helps you feel full, stay energized, and make better food choices, naturally. 7. Boosts energy and endurance. Ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans revered chia as a source of stamina, and for good reason. Unlike quick energy sources like sugar or caffeine, chia seeds provide slow-releasing fuel. Their complex carbs and fiber help maintain steady blood sugar, which keeps you energized without the dreaded crash. Chia is also a source of thiamine, vitamin B1, a crucial nutrient that helps your body convert food into energy. This is especially important during workouts or busy days when your muscles and brain need fuel. And because they contain potassium, chia seeds help maintain electrolyte balance. This supports muscle function, prevents cramps, and improves overall performance, making them great for athletes or anyone with an active lifestyle. Harvard Health also points out that chia is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, which helps stabilize energy, repair muscles, and enhance endurance. 9. Supports immune function. Your immune system relies on a constant supply of micronutrients to function at its best, and chia seeds deliver. They're rich in zinc, selenium, and antioxidants, which work together to strengthen immune defenses, fight inflammation, and protect against cellular damage. Zinc is vital for immune cell production and wound healing. Selenium, as we mentioned earlier, neutralizes harmful free radicals and supports the function of immune-fighting enzymes. Chia seeds' omega-3s also help modulate the immune response, ensuring it's strong enough to fight off invaders, but not so strong that it causes unnecessary inflammation. For anyone seeking natural immune support, chia seeds are a simple, effective tool. 10th, aids in detoxification. Finally, chia seeds play a gentle but powerful role in detoxifying your body. Their soluble fiber binds to toxins, waste, and excess cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps sweep them out efficiently. This reduces your toxic load and supports liver function. Now that you know how powerful these little seeds are, here's a simple way to enjoy them daily. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk, dairy or non-dairy, like almond, oat, or coconut, 1 to 2 teaspoons, sweetener, honey maple syrup, or agave. Optional: 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional. Toppings: fresh fruits, berries, nuts, granola, or shredded coconut. Instructions: in a bowl or jar, mix chia seeds with the milk, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Stir well to avoid clumping. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Stir again before serving. If it's too thick, add a splash of milk. Top with your favorite add-ons and enjoy. This pudding is nutritious, filling, and completely customizable. A perfect way to get your daily tablespoon of chia.